y'all all know what day it is, you feel? It's the best day of the week. Gotta stay hydrated. But it's game day, you feel? Stay tuned, stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so we on our way to the bus. So stay tuned and follow along. It's not that far of a walk, but yeah, we on our way, so stay tuned.
Ready for the game?
Game day, yes, yes. Game day. Right? Hello. Very nice. Very nice? Yes.
Yay!
Yeah. She's styling and wilding. Hey, one more time. What she? Styling and wilding. They love the fit. Styling and wilding. Are you so excited? What day is it? It's game day. We got Doctor. Hi. Hello. You see the professional braider right there. We got Mayar.
Hey, thought it was a regular night, but it wasn't. Hey, it all started with a glance. Your body put me in a trance. I had to ask you for a dance, had to ask you for your name. Numbers, let's exchange. I'm really with it, ain't running game. It all started with a glance. Your body put me in a trance. I had to ask you for a dance, had to ask you for your name. Numbers, let's exchange. I'm really with it, ain't running game. It was a glance how it all started. Her eyes made me warm, though I'm cold-hearted. A connection instantly felt mixed with alcohol. We're gonna change our numbers, next day I'll call. But before we get to that, can we share a dance? Two-step is on point, put you in a trance. Forget about the time that we struggling in. Get it? Let's talk about our passions over juice and gin. I'm a bad in a maze. There ain't too many like me in this day and age. We either in a cage or 6 feet deceased. They want a strong black man dead on the sheet. That's what I think, but if there's one thing that I really know, is that when I peek in your direction, babe, I seen it glow. So I had to approach you and I had to ask you for your name. And if you get to know me, see, I ain't running game. I'm not the started with a glance. Your body put me in a trance. I had to ask you for a dance, had to ask you for your name. Numbers, let's exchange. I'm really with it, ain't running game. It all started with a glance. Your body put me in a trance. I had to ask you for a dance, had to ask you for your name. Numbers, let's exchange. I'm really with it, ain't running game.
Wine body shape, the type you slow dance with. Educated when she talks, sophisticated when she walk, the type you wanna bite, but you don't play games with. Eye to eye contact is what she don't give. So I stepped into her vision and I grabbed her by the hand. I seen the romance in her eyes, so I asked her for the dance. As we was walking to the floor, I was thinking further plans. I pulled my phone out of my pocket and I put it in her hand. In exchange, she gave me hers and then we put our numbers in. Excuse me if I'm tripping, I've been sipping on the hit. She told me that's her favorite, she be sipping with her friends. She said, do you sip yours with ice? I said, well baby, that depends. I ain't watered down, but I'm chillin'. I ain't nothing like the last dude you thought you was feeling. Intuition on the mission, no competition in your position. I'm trying to put you in the game and take you out the scrimmage.
Gee, it all started with a glance. Your body put me in a trance. I had to ask you for a dance, had to ask you for your name. Numbers, let's exchange. I'm really with it, ain't running game. It all started with a glance. Your body put me in a trance. I had to ask you for a dance, had to ask you for your name. Numbers, let's exchange. I'm really with it, ain't running game.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Appreciate y'all.